What's going on, guys? In this video, we're going to be going over my top setups to watch tomorrow. We had an awesome day today. Crushed it with 5 trades and only one tiny little loss. 4 awesome wins. But let's go ahead and dive in to see what we have for tomorrow. It's going to be a very big active day. So I'm going to quickly go through the whole list real briefly. If you do want the full in-depth watch list with my plans for tomorrow and to watch me trade live every single day, make sure to go down to the description below in my bio to claim your 7-day free trial. Starting with number 1, we have Shopify here. And Shopify, we've been watching for a while. We are setting up really nice into tomorrow with a nice little pop-up into the close here, testing 84. I would like to watch it tomorrow on the daily breakout. You've got range here over 83.50 to about 87 bucks. So watch the side of the open, see if buyers do come in again for the second day move over the high as confirmation. That is Shop. Again, Shopify looks really good. After that, you've got SE, a little bit of action here. Pretty similar setup here, not really anything too different. You've got range here over 40.5. You've got range back to about 41.5 and 42 overhead. We played this in the past month and did really well on it, so I do want to watch this again tomorrow if heavy buyers do come in over the 40.5 area. Other than that, we've got Pinterest, P-I-N-S. That's a hard ticker to say. Again, really similar setup. You see here, very similar to Shopify in a way that you're just looking for the continuation out of the daily breakout from today. I want to see buyers come in on this tomorrow over 39.15, and you've got pretty massive range on Pinterest compared to Shopify. You've actually got range all the way to 41.50 and 43 overhead on that 39.17 break and hold. After that, you've got MU. Now, SMCI obviously had earnings today, and after hours thing absolutely mooned, and I'll be watching these chip names tomorrow pretty heavily. So MU watch tomorrow on the daily break over 90 bucks. You've got range here to about 92 and 94 overhead. And of course, like I just said, SMCI earnings today and after hours and a strong close here right under 550. I'd be watching this tomorrow morning, possibly over 550. Maybe you get the move to 575 and 600 tomorrow. Who knows? This thing has been on an absolute rampage since we had it on the weekly watch list a couple of weeks ago. We called this out in the 200s, saying that it had range to 500 bucks a share. Now it's at 550. This thing is just nuts. Watch it tomorrow. We'll see how it opens overnight. EXPE, good old Expedia. Finally breaking up on the daily here as well. Another one very similar to Shop and Pinterest tomorrow to watch over 153.50. You've got range here back to the previous high at 155.80 and then up to 160. Very simple, clean setup here on Expedia. Typically, it's not the most liquid thing in the world, but decent volume today, so I do want to watch it tomorrow out of the open. After that is AXP, and AXP we absolutely crushed on Friday, playing it out of the open after earnings. We caught it from 196 all the way to over 200 bucks a share. I think this thing goes higher. I think we either take it off the double bottom tomorrow or we just take it up through the high. I would almost prefer to just play it up through the breakout here. If we can play it off of like a 200.7, if you can get the pivot over the 201s, look for a pullback entry risking 200.7. You've got range back to about 203 and 205. So really nice look there. About $2 interval range to the upside on AXP. And after that, you've got Disney. And finally, after months and months of lagging on Disney, you finally got the daily breakout today on Disney over 96.8. And I want to watch this tomorrow over the 96.8. We've got range here to about 99.50 and 100.50. If it can hold and find buyers for its second day move tomorrow. And this thing looks really strong into the close. Again, Disney, I have not touched a whole lot the past couple of months just because it's been lagging so hard. It's been so weak compared to the broader market, but finally starting to catch back up and showing some relative strength today. So I do want to watch this into tomorrow over 96.8. After that, you've got the all-time high breakout on Uber. And Uber, very clean setup here. We've been watching it a lot lately, but it hasn't really tried to extend away from this level yet. Finally did so today over the 66s. So I want to watch it tomorrow over 66.3. If you can find buyers in this, we may adjust that a little bit tighter to like a 66.5 or higher, maybe a 67, depending on the break that we get at the open. But you do have range on this back up to 68 and 69 overhead. And last but certainly not least, you've got good old TSM, very similar to MU here. Just a chip name to watch off of SMCI. We get a lot of tech names presenting earnings this week. So I want to watch TSM, similar setup to last week before it did decide to leg higher. So I just want to watch it again tomorrow over 118.85. It's got range about 122.50 overhead. So keep it simple, guys. Tomorrow's going to be a very active day. We're going to have even more showing up on the pre-market watch list, of course, and I'll be trading live for the team as always. So do make sure to head down, claim your 7-day free trial while spots last, and I will see you guys there. Have a blessed one, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.